You run a complex mining operation. Production must flow, hauling costs are ever increasing, and safety must always be kept at the highest level. With remote sites, demanding weather and shifting demand, this is no easy task. Autonomy presents a practical next step which delivers benefits today while preparing your operations for the future. At Volvo Autonomous Solutions, we take that step with you as partners. Autona Earth is our autonomous haulage solution for mines and quarries, delivered as transport as a service. You pay per tonne or per hour, with Volvo as your single partner, making the transition into autonomy smooth and flexible. This enables your company to optimize transport flows, improve productivity, and increase safety. We design a solution for your site and your targets. Volvo takes full ownership of the transport flow, letting you focus all your attention on your core operations, while we move the material safely and predictably. We run the haul with an autonomous truck built for rugged terrain and demanding mining operations. The Volvo Virtual Driver keeps speeds and spacing consistent to optimize productivity and energy consumption. Site Control coordinates arrival and departures. Together, we upskill your team, preparing them for the jobs of the future. And we continue to improve with real data from your site, providing a more predictable output at a predictable cost, with safety at the core, enabling 24/7 operations. For almost 100 years, Volvo has advanced safety and productivity. Join us in leading the next step in mining operations. Autona Earth by Volvo Autonomous Solutions.